Well, we get our next project coming in the shop. Buddy of mine's John Deere 550. Secondary is not supposed to do that. Hopefully shouldn't be a bad fix. Okay, so we're back working on this John Deere XUV 550, pulling the transmission out to figure out what we need to replace on that input shaft. Finally got the tool in to pull the primary and secondary clutch off. Had to get this plate out of the way to have enough room to pull the transmission up. As you can see, not a ton of work to get it out. Just a little bit of everything's got to come off. But yeah, this is the issue. Not supposed to do that. See if I can get it to go back in there. There we go. I'm hoping just some bearings because this shaft is about $320. We're about to split it open and find out. Alright, here's the input shaft. Perfectly good shape. Glad about that. There's the bearing that let go. This bearing was right below the input shaft in the front cover, and it wasn't in that bad a shape. I mangled it up getting it out, but it's going to be replaced. So 2 bearings and a seal should be good to go. Yeah, of course we got some wear and tear from bearing parts going through. All the gears are in really good shape, so we lucked out. All the other bearings tight, good. You can see it had a good time in there. Nothing that's going to hurt anything. Builds a little character on the inside. There's the seal we're going to have to swap out, and then it'll be good to go. If y'all have any questions on this, comment down below. Like, subscribe, share. We will wait on parts and then slap this bad boy back together. Thanks for watching.